thinking about applying to COSTAATT? We've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step guide to make your admissions experience a breeze. First things first, go to the COSTAATT website and click on Apply. This will take you to the online application portal. Create your application account. Click on First Time User Account Creation and set up your login ID and PIN. Your login ID must be no more than 9 characters and your PIN just 6 numbers. These credentials will be needed to check on the status of the application, so keep them safe. It's time to submit your application. Fill in all the required details, including your personal information, academic history, and program of choice. Be sure to complete all mandatory fields to avoid any issues during submission. You're almost there. Carefully read and agree to the terms and conditions before moving on. Once you submitted your application, save the confirmation page as a PDF or JPEG. You can scan and submit all your supporting documents via email to applications@costatt.edu.tt. Ensure that you have provided all the required documents as highlighted on the checklist. Double check to avoid delays. You'll receive an email confirmation of all documents submitted, and you will be advised of any outstanding submissions. Your next step is to visit any of our campus locations most convenient to you, where you will submit the originals of your documents for verification. Once all requirements are met, within a week, you will receive an email with further instructions. And that's it. You're on your way to becoming a proud COSTAATT student. See you on campus.